Hey everybody, it's Micah Outdoor Living Guy. I want to talk to you about something that a lot of people are really interested in right now, and it's pools. Now you can either go through getting a pool installed, or you can find a place, find a house, and that's what this homeowner did. They found a home with a pool. It needed a little bit of work, and they remodeled the whole space around the pool. We helped them with that through good design, and so I want to encourage that. But really, as you're thinking about remodeling your pool, there's lots that you can do. In fact, even a gunite pool, we can do a lot with remodeling even a gunite pool. We can replaster it, we can retile it, we could even add a hot tub in the middle of it. We can do so much for your space. So as you're thinking about a pool or thinking about remodeling your pool, there's a lot you can do. We're going to show you a lot of photos and videos right now on just some different ideas that you can go through and go to be able to either add to your pool or create a whole new custom pool for yourself.
So we were wanting to buy a house that entertained the family and all the kids' friends to come over. And so we found this house, and it had a swimming pool, and we thought that would be a great family opportunity for the friends to come over and entertain. But this pool, this backyard, was a mess. So that's when we got a hold of Paradise Restored, and they gave us a awesome design. And so then we went with that design, and then we have this really outstanding outcome of the construction.
And it's something that, because we have kids of all different ages, that we wanted them all to be able to be together as a family, but each individually enjoy an activity with their different friends of different ages. And Paradise Restored made that happen for us, because we have all their friends over at all times, and there's enough room and enough space that they can have their own space but still all interact together.
It's been great. I was excited, like, going into it, like having a pool. It's always a good idea, but it was even more than I thought, because it's like, especially with this summer and having Corona, like the summer was shot down a lot and it was hard and not much to do. But as in our friend group, it's like you can't find anything to do, or with all the circumstances, we can just come hang out and swim, and especially with all the hot days that it's been having, it's been great.
So I want to also bring up about the pool and how easy a pool ownership is really is. This is the first pool I've ever owned. I was a little bit nervous, but after getting used to what the chemicals is supposed to be, super easy to maintain. It's really no problem, especially with the liner. I've learned that a liner pool has less maintenance than a gunite pool does. So that's one advantage that you have. But disadvantage of a liner pool would be you could maybe poke a hole in it. So you gotta weigh it. But as of now, this pool has been hardly any maintenance. It's been super easy, and my kids were having a blast swimming in it.
All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe.